welcome everyone back to Mr. Dar Weather Updates, and we're going to have a look at the live radar first, and then the precipitation long range, and the temperatures, and then look at the GFS, and we'll look at what's going to be happening on in the next few weeks. Like I said, from the last GFS forecast, at the end it did say much fresher and cooler temperatures to come for later next week, with temperatures going all the way down to 13 degrees, as I saw in the forecast. So probably average to below average for even to autumn for September the 12th. However, looking at today, we can see here there's a few scattered showers along in some in the Midlands, some in the north, mostly in the northeast near Aberdeenshire, Inverness. Otherwise, it won't be too bad in terms of rain. It'll just be a bit scattered. Some areas will be seeing some sunshine, I'm sure, but it will be a little bit more settled than we saw recently in the last few days. Now, having a look at the temperatures. Again, another cool night, as you can see there. And you can see temperatures to rise a little bit more than yesterday, with a bit more yellows and a few more blues for now. Obviously, since there is going to be more precipitation in some areas, it's expected to see more cloud, maybe getting the temperatures a little bit off if they have a cloud. Now, there is a weather warning for today for the south of England, stretching into bits of South Wales. It's just a yellow warning for rain, which is heavy showers from 9 p.m. today to 9 a.m. for Thursday. Heavy showers, maybe thundery, in areas on Wednesday night into Thursday morning. So quite a short weather warning, so it might not hopefully affect everyone during that. Again, flooding may be possible depending how long it lasts and how heavy it is. Power cuts, lightning strikes if it's any thunderstorms. Again, expect if there's any at the night, trains and bus services in cancellation. And then maybe some deep flood water, but I don't know if that's going to happen. It does seem a little bit unlikely. Now, it is an uncertain weather warning, as not areas are going to be affected. Scattered heavy showers, possibly thundery, on Wednesday, merge into long spells into heavy showery rain into Wednesday night. So heavier downpours, accumulation of 20 to 40 millimetres, maybe the isolated 50 millimetres. So maybe impacting whoever is on that, whoever has that. And here are the information on how to kind of deal with this if you're affected, because it's quite a low level weather warning. It is unlikely and has a medium impact, so probably the one of the lowest that warnings can get. Yeah. So here are the areas that it's affected. Parts of the Midlands have it, but most of the southeast of England for now. And that will be extended into Thursday, which is a little bit more uncertain for now. Now, having a look at the long range, we can see here we're starting the morning with a few showers in the north of Scotland, and that might push into the south, giving us all scattered showers and cloud, maybe the outbreaks of rain in possible areas. But some areas we might see some sun if that cloud breaks. Now, looking into Wednesday night into Thursday, we can see a band of heavy rain pushing in from the south and really ramps up into Thursday morning, really. Not what the weather warning says. So, still might have we could actually have a extended weather warning for that, as it's going to move into South Wales, even into Cornwall. You can see here, into Cornwall, they have some heavy showers and moderate rain as that moves along. So, I wouldn't be surprised to say if they was given a yellow warning as well for heavy rain as that moves in. And that there's even more heavy rain pushing into bits of Cornwall and South England, and actually moves up into Wales until that dissipates as going into Saturday. Otherwise, other areas may stay a little bit drier than what we'll see. Friday, clear in the north with more milder temperatures possible. So I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a weather warning for that. As you can see, that is quite heavy. And then onto Sunday night, another heavy rain, another heavy shower to come along, and that's going to move along to the west, affecting South Wales and, well, maybe Cornwall. Maybe a few more scattered heavy showers into eastern England as well. Otherwise, as I'm seeing, most of northern England is staying dry. Usually it is South England that is staying dry, and northern England that stays quite wet. So there is a lot of heavy rain in the forecast, especially for the south, at least. So I wouldn't be surprised if we got a weather warning for the next few days on that, on for rain. Now have a look at the temperatures today. Again, on Wednesday, it is just about the average day, in fact. We're only going to see 19 to 18 degrees in the east, maybe the isolated 20. Mid-teens in the north, and mid to low teens to single figures in the Scotland area. And then on to the Thursday. A little bit warmer. We can see a bit more 20s and a bit more mid to high teens, but still mid to high teens is possible in the north, with mid to high teens in Scotland, so a little bit warmer into Scotland. And then on to Friday, a lot warmer in fact. We can see here in bits of the Midlands, we can see here 25 to 26, and maybe even a possible 27 is possible. Again, 20 in Northern England with mid to high teens, and then mid to high teens to 20 in Scotland. So a lot warmer, in fact, into Scotland. 24 is possible in Scotland, so very warm indeed for Scotland. And you can see here at the very south, in like Devon and Cornwall and Portsmouth area, they're getting a lot cooler air already. You can see here 15 to 14, so they're getting quite cool indeed. And then on to Saturday, a little bit cooler. 20 to 22 to 23 is possible. Still quite warm actually. 20 to mid-high teens in the north, and mid to high teens to 20 to 22 is possible in Scotland. And then on to Sunday, a little bit more scattered now. Some 20s in the south, maybe into Wales, in northwestern England, maybe even some in Scotland, but otherwise mainly mid-high teens as well will be mixed into that. Now have a look at the GFS, having a look at the longer range. For today, we're in a little bit of an area of low pressure, but that low pressure is mainly to the south where that heavy showers are. And then on to Thursday, there was a band of high pressure to be moving in from Scotland. That's why they're getting so settled and warmer weather to come for at least Scotland for now. And it does kind of break away into Saturday, maybe giving more room for heavy showers, some more showers and rain, and the odd cloud for the weekend and into next week. Coming into Tuesday, there was a dip of low pressure, which will be affecting Northern Ireland, and then that's going to slowly dip in to the UK, giving it cooler and more unsettled weather as well, probably possible in some areas. So we're going to be seeing a lot cooler temperatures coming into Thursday, so something to look out for that. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.